Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cake Study Material. I'm sure you guys have seen my previous videos also. So today's topic is joins. We see how what is joins and different types of joins. So let's go. SQL joins statement is used to combine data or rows from two or more tables based on a common field between them. We use joins to combine the two tables and we have to get one table with any condition using on clause. The common fields, yeah, common fields based on the common fields. Okay, so let's go. There are different types of joins: inner join, left join, right join, and full join. So let's first we have to see inner join. Okay, then what is inner join? Inner join keyword selects all rows from both the tables as long as the condition satisfies. Okay, that is values of the common field will be same. Then we have to see the diagram of the inner join. Here we have to get one circle and also the another one. Okay, and here we have to take this table as table A. Okay, and this table as table B. Okay, then guys, see here. Then we have to see the inner join. Okay, so what is inner join? Selects all rows from both the tables. Okay, means this is our inner join. Okay, both the in both table, which fields are common? These fields are displayed by using the inner join. We have to see query of that inner join. Let's see. See here. Select E dot employee. Select E dot first name, E dot last name, D dot department ID from employees E inner join. Okay, here we have to use keyword inner join departments D on E dot department ID equal to D dot department ID. So what is this E? This E we will alias our table. Okay, by using alias, uh, here we have to write table name also, but for time consuming we have to use that E here. So we alias that employee table. So let's run this query and see the output. Okay, we have get 106 records from this query. Means 106 records are common on the both tables, employee table and department table also. So guys, then we have to see the next join, that is left join. So what is left join? Left join means what is that? So this join returns all the rows of the table on the left side of the join and matching rows for the table on the right side of the join. Okay, in this join, what happened? Left side of table match the right side of the fields. It means left side field matches the right side of the field, and then the rows for which there is no matching row on right side, the resultant set will contain null. Left join is also known as left outer join. Okay, so what happened? The left will compare with right fields and the matching fields are displayed. Left matching fields are displayed on the result. If there is no matching with the right side, then it will display the null to the result. So let's see diagram of the left join. Then again we have to take another one. So here is also, we take this as a table A. Table A, and this one as table B. Okay, so what is inner join? Then we see that. Sorry, what is left join? So this is the left join. In this diagram, we have to see that the common fields also display on our result. Okay, and uncommon fields also in the left join are displayed on our result. So let's see the query of that left join. Okay, this is the query of our left join. Select E dot last name, E dot department ID, E dot department name from employees E left join. Here we use keyword left join. Previous query we use keyword inner join. So this is left join department D on E dot department ID is equal to D dot department ID. So let's run this query and see the results. Here we have to display the left side, means employee table display. We have to display employee table. In employee table 107 records are available, so we have to display 107 records, but at the last 107 records there is no department ID and no department name, so this will display as a null. So this will display as a null. So this is the left join. Let's see right join. So what is the right join? Right join is similar to left join. How? Let's see. This join returns all the rows of the table on the right side of the join and matching rows for the table on the left side of join. Yeah, nothing is different than left join. In left join it will matches left join to right join, and in right join it will matches right join to left join. Okay, then the rows for which there is no matching rows on the left side, the result set will contain null. Right join is also called as right outer join. Okay, means same as left join, but difference is matching between these two. In left join we have to match this side of this side, left side, and in the right join it will see the in the right join. So let's see diagram of that right join. Okay, so here we have to take table A, and here table B. Okay, then take color, and this is the right join. Here the uncommon fields and common fields both are displayed by the right join, and if there is no common field available for this right join, then it will display null. Then see how it is happen. Let's run the query. Right join. Okay, what is the query? Select E dot last name, E dot department ID, D dot department name from employees E. Right join. Here we use keyword right. Department D on E dot department ID is equal to D dot department ID. Then run this query. And we have to see here 122 records display on this query means right joins. Department name is also displayed here. If there is no department last name and department ID, then it will display as null. Here we have to see after 107 or the last name is display as null. So this is the right join, means it will display the record. It will display the if there is no record matches to right joins field, then it will display the null for that field, for that record. So let's see the last one join, that is the full join. So what is full join? Full join creates the result set by combining result of both left join and right join. Full join, it is also called as combination of left join and right join. The result set will contain all the rows from the both the tables. The rows for which there is no matching, the result set will contain null value. Same as this, the result set will contain null values. So let's see the diagram of full join. Sorry guys, here. So here we have to write table A and table B. And here table B. Okay, so what is the full join? Let's see with diagram. So this is called as full join, means the combination of both this, means the combination of both full join and left join and right join. The combination of both of these fields is called as full join. Okay, let's have to display that as what happened. Okay. So forget all. Okay, the combination of both this right join and left join is also called as full join. So let's see the query of that full join. Okay. Then what is the select E dot last name, D dot department ID, D dot department name from employees E full join. Here we use keyword as a full. Then full join department is D on E dot department ID is equal to D dot department ID. Then execute this query. Let's see what is our result. How to get result to us? Here we have to see 123 records, means in the previous query in a right join we have to see 122 records. In the left join we have to see 107 records. But in the full join we have to see 123 records. So the full join is also called as the combination of left join and right join. Okay, so guys, please keep study on the details on these joins. If any query is available, then please comment me. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel KK Study Material. And also whose guys are not seeing my previous videos, I will share the link of this link of previous videos on the comment section, on the description section. So guys, do study. Thank you.